In this video, we will see how to install Google Chrome in your brand new PC. So I'm just opening this web browser, which is Microsoft Edge, and in here I'm just clicking on Google Chrome download, and you can see an extension which is Google Chrome download today, which will be open. Just click on it, and it will be related to the website itself. Just click on the download Chrome button, and it will show you some report like thank you for downloading, just a few steps to follow to install the Google Chrome. So one more step is like just click on this download Chrome on the top and then click on this accept and install. That's it. So what happens here is that will be redirected just like this. It's going to install. If not, just go and click on it. It automatically installs in your system. Once this was installed, just click on the OK. Once downloaded, just click on this and it will ask you Google Update Setup. Yep, just click on it. That may be different from your system because depends on the update which got from the Google. Yep. So it's about to wait for the download. Once it was downloaded, it automatically opens the Google Chrome browser in our system. That's it. Yep. So it will take a bit time, like installing the application in your system, just like this. A window will opens. In this window, it was showing, and boom. Yep. So now Google Chrome is installed in the system. So now you can use Google Chrome, and you can. It's a very good thing. Like you can make it as default browser, as it's one of the best and minimal loading device.